Hey guys, Ajay over here, and welcome to my channel, My Passive Income Mentor. On this channel, I review latest digital marketing products and do how-to videos on starting your own business online. So if starting your own business is something that you're looking forward to and quitting your day job, consider subscribing to my channel, and that is exactly the same thing that I was able to do. So let's come to today's product. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product for you guys known as Breakout Reloaded. So Breakout Reloaded is a kind of a sequel to Breakout 1.0 and then Breakout 2.0, and now we have the Breakout Reloaded. So Breakout Reloaded is basically the story of James Fawcett. So the guy started in 2020 and he ended 2020 at around 350k plus, and now in this first 7 months he has been able to do about 450 plus, and that's the entire product about. How was he able to scale first to 350 and now to almost 450 in 7 months? All what are the strategies that he used and his recommendation. So the product revolves around email marketing and list building using solo ads, but very rarely will you come across a product from a true practitioner. If this is something which interests you, consider staying with me till the end of this video, as I have put together some custom bonuses for you if you do decide to purchase the product by the end of this review. The way to access the product is to click on the link in the description below. So once you are here on the bonus page, click on any of these yellowish color buttons and you will go to the sales page, which looks like this. Clicking on this link, you will be able to buy the product. Now we will go into the pricing and all, but before that I want to let you know what are the bonuses that I have put together for you, which will ensure that you get 110% out of your purchase. Also, there's a demo video on my bonus page, which will give you much more idea about the product itself. So the first bonus that I have for you is how to write headlines that sell. Now the reason I have put in this bonus is because, as I told you, this is a product about email marketing. So writing emails is one of the major parts. So they do give you some pre-written emails, but then learning to write your own unique emails is the secret sauce, and this is where this product is going to come in handy, where you will learn how to write headlines that sell. The second bonus that I have for you is Easy Passive Paydays. So Easy Passive Paydays is a complete course on lead generation and paper call marketing. Now this is something which only the pros know how to do, so this is something that I have put together for you. So the third one I have is list building on steroids. So list building on steroids will teach you how to build your list and how to maintain your list. Now this is a very good complement to the content that you are getting already within the members area of Breakout Reloaded. Now the fourth bonus that I have for you is 10x commissions. So 10x commissions will teach you how you can get 10x commissions using the same method or list that you are getting by using the power of custom bonuses, and how you can make these custom bonuses yourself. So that is what 10x commission revolves around. And then there's all the vendor bonuses you have. So I'll just let you through the vendor bonus, I'll let you know tons of bonuses over here. The first bonus you have is boost your online sales, $97 value. The second you have is Facebook ads. The third you have is buyer click load X. Then you fourth you have 30 ways to get free traffic. Then you have the affiliate marketing blueprint. Then you have list building blueprint. Then you have the newbies guide to internet success. Then you have double your traffic. Then you have the Phoenix front end product, and then you have the breakout code front end. So Phoenix was one such product which I had personally purchased the last time they had launched it, and it was really good. Again, all of these bonuses are available to you till this time down counter hits zero. Once this becomes zero, all the bonuses will be taken away. Also, once you have purchased the product, within the Warrior Plus members area itself, you will be able to access all these bonuses. You did not message me or the vendor to get access to any of the bonuses I have just described to you. So now let's go into the members area and look at what it is. So you begin with the welcome message from them, and then there's a 446k breakout reloaded case study. This is James Fawcett. Then you have the affiliate breakout reloaded, the mindset training, how to find hot offers to promote, how to get approved for these offers and recommended offers, breakout funnel class training, so how it works. Then you have how to build a converting opt-in page with ClickFunnels, how to build thank you page, how to set up exit intent, connecting to your autoresponder. Then you have email cache reloaded, breakout email marketing, building your epic breakout code follow-up sequence, how to send cash on demand blasts, setting up rotator links for blast, HTML emails, list segmentation. Then you have tracking your traffic and conversions, how to scale solo ads effectively, breakout buyer traffic on demand. So you even have their trusted sources over here. Facebook group. So I think they will also give you access to the Facebook group with this. And then these are bonuses. Reseller rights to breakout code bonus funnel, surefire list building strategy, and follow-up sequences. And then these are upgrades. We'll just go into this. So just to tell you, this is the mindset section. This is the funnel section, how to set up the funnels. This is the email marketing section. This is the traffic section. So what happens is email marketing basically made up of three things: your landing page, your traffic, and then obviously there's offers you select, and then there's email marketing, that is sending emails. So all of these things are covered, and since I am myself a solo ad vendor, I can tell you this is quite in-depth training on using solo ads to build your list. So let's go and understand what are the funnels is and what are the other products available to us. Also take a look at pricing. So the front end is just for 16.93. What it also means is all the bonuses that I have just described over here are available to you only for 16.93, and you will get 50% commission on those. Then there's a upgrade to which is done for you package reloaded, which is for $197. What this includes is figuring out the exact funnel process that gets his traffic converting crazy was the biggest part of the battle, but once figured out, we can see has been immensely profitable. The upgrade provides 10 of our best battle-tested funnels that convert visitors into cash immediately, worth its weight in gold. Upgrade 3 is Breakout Reloaded Inner Circle, $67. This entails everything you need to profit inside our Facebook community. So you will be part of the Inner Circle program. Then there's a little black book which is $47, which is basically all the solo ad vendors which they use. Upgrade 5 is unlimited traffic. So they will be sharing with you some other of their own secrets which will allow you to get unlimited traffic. And upgrade 6 is super reseller bundle, right, for $67. So you can sell the entire thing and keep 80% of the commissions. So this is what all about the funnel. So now let's just go through the sales page, and if something I've skipped, I'll just let you know. So as we said, one click equal to a blast of 1867. So the James routinely has 2000 plus dollar days, which is why the headline. So you can see 30 days, 61,000. So this is James Fawcett, this is partner Mark. So this is his current years from 1st of January to 8th of August, 451 in commission for 451k plus, and this is 350k plus in commissions last year. You can see some of the screenshots of his earnings. He has been making money consistently with the method that he's teaching you over here. Then there are some testimonials from others. So these are the bonuses in addition to the 10 odd bonuses that we see over here, plus the 5 bonuses that I have for you, plus the main product, and then these bonuses. You're going to get reseller rights to Breakout 2.0. Method X is another bonus which is 197. And there's Breakout Reloaded Funnel. Then there's Breakout 3-day follow-up files. And all of these things is protected by a 30-day money back guarantee. So whatever $16 that you will be investing, you can be rest assured even that is not going to be a risk for you. Right? So only what they are providing is worth more than around $2,500. There are my bonuses as well. So you can see the combined package is easily $3,000 plus, which you are getting for $16 currently. So if this is something which you find interesting, do consider clicking on the link in the description below, which will take you to my page where you can go and then purchase the product from my bonus page.